So this is my old laptop that needs a refurbish. Uh, this is a P50B series Toshiba Satellite, and it handled good during my college days. Now it's constantly crashing after I install the Windows. I believe the problem is related to this PCB or the old SSD disk that was in here. Now it's in this board, so I can test it on the desktop. And I tried to change the disk in this laptop to a common disk. So trying with a common disk here on the Toshiba, I realized that the disk could not be handled like this. And this board has these tiny features over here that only allow to mount these PCBs. So 3D printing to the rescue, and I made this enclosure for the hard drive. It fits perfectly, aligned with the holes, and holds the disk in position. Now I have to chamfer this part over here because it's not allowing me to put the back cover on. So this is the part that I designed for the disk. Let's give it a little chamfer over here. Let's make it a little more inclined, like this. It should work okay. Let's do it the same over here. Okay, let's reprint this. Let's import the STL over here to cure it and give it a little slice. Let's turn it around so that the x-axis will do the most maneuvering at the top of the part and slice it. This will be printed in ASA, so it handles the temperatures on the PC, and it should go okay. My little lenders never disappoint me. Well, at least not this time. It's tight. Let's get into it. So it's locked in position. Right in place. This one should. Beautiful. This is not going out of here anytime soon. The 3D printed disk enclosure works perfectly. I actually removed the battery. Well, let's finish up over here. So this was a job accomplished with the help of 3D printing. While I finish tightening the screws, let me tell you why I removed the battery of my laptop. This battery is always 0% charged, and it's getting swollen, as you see here. I don't know if it eventually blow up or something. I just decided to remove it. I've seen replacement batteries like this one for sale. Maybe if I want to use the computer off the plug again, I have to buy a new one.
If you are enjoying this video and you are fixing your Toshiba laptop right at this moment, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe, and if you need the STL files, contact me. As a celebration of my first YouTube video, if this video reaches as much as 100 likes, the 3D files will be shared forever free in a platform of my choosing. However, if you need these files and I haven't reached that promise, just contact me. I can give you the files to fix your computer.
It's ready.
So that's all for today. 3D printing saved the day. This laptop has another life and it will be a fine media center.